Hello and welcome to Larissa's Kitchen. It's Valentine's Day and we've saved the best for last. I'm grilling beef tenderloin steaks and lobster tails. This meal will be served on a bed of buttermilk mashed potatoes and topped with a buttery sauce. Let's see what we're gonna need. I have two nice beef tenderloin fillets. They're getting rubbed with olive oil and then seasoned with salt and pepper on both sides. The lobster tails are getting butterflied, then they're also getting rubbed with olive oil and seasoned before all of this heads out to the grill. We're putting this butter sauce together just before everything goes on the plate. For that, I have butter, tomato paste, lemon juice, and salt. All of this is going in the pan until the butter melts. Then we take it off the heat and add the tarragon. I can't wait to taste this. A little bit of lobster, some steak, a little bit of butter. Wonderful. Thank you for visiting Larissa's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.